Okay, in the last video, we noted that the voltage gain of an amplifier is generally given by the form minus GM times RT. So we're going to look at finding GM and RT and also some of the internal resistances of a transistor. So here I have external resistors, R big B, R cent sign, and R big E. And we have internal resistors looking into the device, R little b, R little c, and R little e. Note that I used the cent sign just to clarify that maybe a capital C looks the same as a lowercase c. So let's say we were going to find the GM for a common source amplifier. So we know for a common source amplifier, we would have our input on the base and our output voltage would be on the collector. Now, the definition for GM was the output current due to an input voltage when the output was short-circuited. So here we've short-circuited things. And I'm going to move the input frame to the base node, noting that we'll have to take care of the voltage division that exists because of R little b and R big B later on. Now, we can do KCL at the output node and at the emitter node and solve for the current flowing into that short circuit due to that input voltage. And what we would ultimately find and have found in other videos is that big GM is equal to little gm divided by 1 plus little gm times RE, R big E. Similarly, if we want to find RT, we need to go to the output node. We know that our output node was at the collector. We put a test voltage source. And we measure the current that flows from that test voltage source when the input is short-circuited. And if we did this, we would find that RT is approximately equal to little RO times 1 plus GM times RE. Now we could also find the resistance R little b looking into the base. And if we did so, we would find that this was equal to R pi plus beta plus 1 times R big E. All right, so for a CE amplifier, we can write out the gain expression as a product of the voltage division at the input, the transconductance, big GM, and the total driving point resistance, big RT. So we have a voltage division at the input, R little b divided by R little b plus R big B. We have our transconductance. And we have our total resistance. And note here the total resistance, I forgot to include the R cent sign. All right, that's it. Now for every amplifier, we can find an expression for the voltage gain in a similar fashion, and we'll do so on the next videos.